Responsible stewardship begins with grace. It begins with grace. All we have has been given to us by God, who we are, what we have, in the world that we live in. It's all grace. It's all gift. And we're supposed to respond to it correctly as children of God. So God put these things into our hands, and then we hold them up to the power and the will of God so that God can do with them what only God can do. This is why God put something in my hands, not so that I can grab it and drag it into myself, but so that I can hold it with an open hand up to God and allow Him to use it the way that He designed it to be used. Let's go back to the book of Ephesians for a second. Ephesians chapter 3, verses 1 and 2. Here's how the Apostle Paul speaks of the grace that he has been given. For this reason, I, Paul, a prisoner of Christ Jesus, on behalf of you Gentiles, assuming that you have heard of the stewardship of God's grace that was given to me for you. Now that's important. Paul recognizes something. I've been given something by Christ. I've been given brand new life by Jesus Christ. I've been called by Jesus Christ. I've been given grace by Jesus Christ. The way Paul talks about how Christ has changed his life is astounding. But it doesn't become for Paul a reason for him to turn himself upon himself. It becomes for Paul a tool now that is used for your sake. God has given me something to be used for you.